Today, we're diving into something that's changing how we work, learn, and even communicate: large language models, or LLMs. Ever wondered how a machine can write a poem, translate a message, or even help you cook dinner? Well, that's all thanks to LLMs.
Yeah, they're pretty incredible, right? Imagine a super smart librarian who's read everything, every book, article, text message, and recipe. And when you need help with something, you just ask, and it's ready to help. It's like having a personal assistant, but one that's been trained on pretty much the entire internet.
Exactly. But how does it actually work? It all boils down to three main parts: data, architecture, and training. First up, data.
Right. The librarian has scanned a massive amount of text, petabytes of it. For context, 1 petabyte is like 1,000,000 gigabytes. That's like every book in 1,000 libraries all in one place.
That's a lot of information. And then there's the architecture, the transformer design. It's like reading every sentence by focusing on each word's relationship with every other word, so it always knows the context.
It's like reading a sentence and being able to remember not just the words, but the meaning behind them, no matter how long or complex the sentence is. And finally, we have the training process.
Right? It starts by guessing the next word in a sentence, like if it sees the cake is. It might guess pineapple at first, but through billions of tries, it gets better and better until it lands on the right word, like delicious.
And over time, this process makes the model incredibly accurate, able to predict and generate text almost like a human would.
Now, let's talk about some everyday examples where LLMs really shine. Let's say you're trying to write a follow-up email. You can just tell the LLM, write me a polite follow-up about last week's meeting, and boom, it drafts it for you.
That's huge for saving time. Instead of stressing over the wording, you can just tweak the draft a bit and be done. Or how about helping grandma with translations?
Oh, that's another great one. Imagine your grandmother's neighbor only speaks Spanish. You type the message into an LLM, and it instantly gives you a clear translation. No awkward mistakes like you might get with Google Translate.
Yeah, it's so much more reliable. Or say you've got some random ingredients like kale, pasta, and chicken. You could ask the LLM, create a simple 20-minute recipe, and it'll give you tailored instructions for exactly what you've got on hand.
All of that in seconds. And for students, the LLMs can be lifesavers too. You upload a complex research paper, and it summarizes it into a one-paragraph explanation in plain English. Perfect for last-minute study sessions.
And it doesn't stop there. Businesses are using LLMs to power 24/7 customer service chatbots, generate marketing copy, and even help write and debug code.
It's wild how much they're capable of. And if you want to understand just how these models work, here's a fun challenge. Take a favorite song lyric or a poem and remove the last word of each line. See if you can guess what comes next.
You'll be doing exactly what an LLM does, using context to predict the next word or phrase. It's kind of like a game, but with some impressive tech behind it.
So, as you can see, LLMs aren't just a trend. They're a huge part of how we interact with technology now. From writing and translating to cooking and studying, they're making things faster and easier.
And with every update, these models are only getting smarter. Who knows what they'll be able to do next?